All right, in this video, I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing of the NutriBullet RX. So this is the newest one. You might have seen it on TV or maybe at the store. I got this one at Costco. It was actually on sale today, so I'm super jazzed. And I've watched every info commercial there is, so it was just time to check it out. I actually went to buy a Blend Tech, but then Vitamix was there and I can't make a decision. So I do have the other one on my counter, and I've been having a couple problems with a couple of my cups, and I really wanted to try the soup. So I wanted to test it out on the NutriBullet RX before I move to a commercial blender. So we'll see how this goes and how it's going to work out. Maybe this is enough. Maybe I'll still want to move to a commercial blender, but I wanted to see what all this was about, and it was such an amazing deal today, so let's get started. So here is all the information. It's a 2.3 horsepower, smart technology, and you can do your soups and sauces, make them hot. Comes with a book, family friendly, single and multiple serve cups. I'll just kind of turn this around a minute. Here just kind of shows put it in, blend it, drink it. So super simple and easy. We definitely do love that, especially when it comes to our health. You know, it's so important to be quick and fast in these nowadays times, so this will help. And here is the 12 pieces that you get, and I don't really know a whole lot, but we're gonna get started. So here I'll go ahead and open up the box. As you can tell, the box is absolutely huge. So here is a ton of recipes that you can get right online with the App Store and Google Play. Super cool. Free app. Here we have follow us online. So if you want to be part of the NutriBullet RX, they do have it online to learn more about living with their products. Here is a user guide. And then add ingredients, pour liquid, screw on the blades, turn on the NutriBullet, flip the cup blade side down, extract, lift, depress, and then twist off. So they're trying to make this as super and simple for anyone and everyone. Here is maybe, I was trying to see if maybe it's another language, but looks like kind of the same thing. So, easy guide to follow. Woo, look at this. A nice hardback book that comes with tons of recipes. So, super cool. That's exciting. Here you're going to be able to, looks like we have a huge piece to pull out here. So, I'll go ahead and take that out. Here is the big cup. See if I have enough counter space for all this. Here's the pitcher. Very cool. I noticed the bottom was a little bit better than their last one that I have, so that's exciting. And then, actually that's the pitcher with additional pieces inside. So we'll learn about that. Here is another cup. I'm not sure about the top, so see how that works. Very sturdy. I feel like these are a little bit better than their other units. Very sturdy, and it doesn't feel as flimsy, so I'm excited. And then here for the last piece is your base. Woo! This base is a little bit bigger, I guess. I don't know. I'll pull my other one over here. But this is the actual base, and it is very heavy. It looks like they have some lids just storing in there that I need to take out. But here is everything out of the box. So let's compare it real quick. Yeah, huge difference. So you're going to see a huge difference between these two. So that's pretty interesting. I'm excited to see how this all works. But this one constantly had issues. It's a mess. Some of my lids didn't stay on well. So I'm excited to move on and try something new. But you'll be able to see the differences in those and kind of decide for yourself what works best. And if you subscribe and like, we'll go ahead and get some different things started and how to use it. So you can see that my whole counter is full of proteins and fruits and veggies. So I'm super excited to get this started. I will see you on the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye.